Today we're going to be working in the String Basics book on page 17. Now these deal with chromatic notes, and we've been doing the D chromatic scale and work in Pink Panther. So hopefully you understand that chromatic means to move by half steps. Please use the fingering system that we learned in the chromatic scale. For violins and violas, that's the 1-1, 2-2, 3-3. For cellos, 1-1, 2-2, 3-4. For basses, 1-1, 2-4, 1-2-4 when we shift. So look at number 57. Viola and violin, you should be using a third finger for your first note. Cellos, your second set of notes is a pinky, but violin, viola, you should adjust your third finger. Don't use that pinky finger that is marked in the music. We're going to use the fingering system from the scale. Here we go on 57. 3, 4. D again, E flat, adjust the E. Let's do that one more time. Set up your C with third finger and be ready to adjust for the C sharp. 3, 4. Number 58. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch out for when the F is a natural and when the F is F sharp. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do number 59, which is the C chromatic scale. Again, please use the same fingering system for the chromatics that we have learned for the D chromatic scale and the Pink Panther. So set up your C and then be ready to adjust to the C sharp, or cellos, make sure you start on third finger C. Here we go at 59. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sharp, A, B flat, B, C, back down, G sharp, regular G, F sharp, one, two, three, four, rest. Look at the rhythm on the board. It is a set of 4 eighth notes. So I hope we agree that it is counted 1 and 2 and. So let's play these 4 separate eighth notes on the D string. 3 and 4 and. Okay, easy peasy, right? I hope so. Now I'm going to make it more complicated. I'm going to put a tie on the middle 2 notes. So I still want your brain to be thinking the 8th notes, but now you're going to play a tie on the middle set. Here we go. 3 and 4 and. Well, let's do that one more time. 3 and 4 and. In real life, it will be written in music with a single 8th note, and that's why there's a flag, and then a quarter note, which is the equivalent of the 2 8th notes tied together in the middle, and then another single 8th note. And it is called a syncopation because it's a short note followed by a note that is twice as long as it, followed by that short note again. So let's try this and look at this syncopation written in the true manner. 3 and 4 and 2 and. So I play a very short bow on the first note, and then I use a longer bow for that second note. Let's do that again. 3 and 4 and 2 and. Let's try the syncopation again and go a little faster. I will demonstrate. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Let's try that together. 3 and 4 and. Yes, so almost accent that 8th note there to be fast enough. So let's do quarter note into the syncopation. One more time, or let's do it together now that you've heard it. So quarter, quarter, and then the syncopation. 3, 4. 1, 2. One more time. 3, 4. Short, long, short. Now we're ready to put it into the piece in our lesson book. So now we're going to do number 60, habanera. And it has the syncopation in it in the second measure of the first line and the second measure of the second line. I'm going to demonstrate for you. So it starts on D, and then it goes to C natural and a syncopation. B flat, A. Okay, let's try that together now. Just those first 4 measures. 1, 2. Short, long. One more time. 3, 4. B flat. Now look at the next few notes. It's a G sharp to a G and then an F natural. I will demonstrate. So G sharp, G, F natural. F natural again. So let's try right there, starting on the G sharp. 3, 4. One more time, starting on the G sharp. 1, 2. Now let's go for the first line of habanera. Eyes on the music to help you figure out the natural sharps and flats. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now let's do habanera again, and let's go for the whole song. Bow on string, eyes on that music. 1, 2. G sharp. Second line. do that one more time. 1, 2. Here's G sharp.